Hello, welcome. I hope everyone knows about the Jupiter Saturn conjunction that's going to happen around December 20th. I guess that's the time when people are not shifting to the 5D consciousness in alignment to the Earth's frequency upgrade. There will be a lot of soul fragmentation that will be going on in the collective. So I guess this is the time, as we have about 12 or 13 days for the conjunction to happen. And what will happen is this is something which has not happened for a long time. So along with that, we have a tendency to fall into the lower dimensional lifestyle which we used to do earlier. Unless we upgrade ourselves into the 5D consciousness, which is the new frequency of the earth, it will be difficult for you to continue being in the lockdown and not making any lifestyle changes or frequency upgrades into your current life. I'll explain to you in a better way. Now, I am not bothered about the pandemic or the lockdown, but I am not an anti-masker too. At the same time, I do wear as part of not resisting the change. But you can do your own alchemical creation with the four elements: earth, water, air, and fire, and through the atmospheric ethers, and build your tree of knowledge and tree of life, and have our Merkaba, the flower of life, activated. If you do the alchemical creation without being dependent on the pandemic or the lockdown, then you are above the frequency of the current consciousness of the planet. Or rather, if we are migrating to a frequency which is in alignment with the earth's frequency, and do alchemical creation of things in your life based on understanding your past and what is your future going to be. Now I have explained to you how do we heal from trauma or emotional problems or any difficulties that you had in the past, like blockages or even inner child work, shadow work, trauma healing, emotional healing. Those unresolved emotions which are being stored in your cellular memory should be released before you start moving into a future progression of yours. Once we eliminate those things, we can easily start creating. Uh, we can start alchemical creation using the four body ethers and the atmospheric ether, where you need to work under the sound and light, under the atmospheric sun. That is the time when you receive frequency upgrades from the astral sun. And you can actually, there is an exercise called as Surya Pravaha. People used to do Surya Pravaha even in places like Mount Shasta, where they communicate with higher dimensional light beings. There are places in earth where the frequency will be high, or most of the light beings are located. Places like Mount Shasta, say for example, and there are very good, very nice places like Stonehenge in England, and even in Cambodia, Angkor Wat. Those are the historic places where people go to Himalayas, say for example, for sitting and meditating in a cave? Why do they need to go to such places? We can actually use remote viewing or telekinesis or even teleportation. We have a very good psychic development exercises available with us. We can even do the psychometrization of objects to receive past history of Earth's records. More often, we'll be doing all these remote viewing exercises, I guess, because nowadays people have started changing the holiday plans and the kind of material life that they used to follow earlier. Because of the pandemic and I guess stuff like that, people are changing the plans by which they used to live earlier. That is in way good because they are releasing the expectations about how to live. And if everyone starts following the higher vibrational living, we can easily adapt to the frequency of the earth. Like we should see ourselves as photons or light particles which carry a frequency that is coming from the sun or the stars. We are nothing but particles from coming from stars, which is representing a formless or timeless consciousness. Now the only mission we have in the lifetime is to understand what is our true purpose and work on that. And in order to that, we need to be in the highest frequency and vibration which is possible. And to be in that highest frequency and vibration, we need to be very careful of where we are putting our energy into. As Nicholas Tesla has said, it is all about energy, frequency and vibration, which is why I think he used to talk about 369, the numbers 369. When I bought my first car, the number was 3369. I never knew that that was the same number Tesla was talking about. That is a universal number, 369. Same way we have higher frequency codes. We can activate our 12-strand DNA using, there are a lot of meditations available in the internet. People used to go to Headspace for downloading meditation videos and all stuff like that. There used to be a lot of quantum healing and quantum jumping videos on the internet. Quantum healing was started by Deepak Chopra, and it talks about cellular healing, on a healing from all sort of diseases on a cellular level. Quantum jumping is something that we can all do to know what an out of body experience is, and there are a lot of videos available in the internet for that. See, the question of doing all this is to help us be in a high vibration always, especially when it comes to the continuation of a difficult situation whatsoever. There are chances that your soul gets fragmented into your past without having a completion or an integration of the soul. That is the difficult. Then it will be difficult for everyone to continue their higher purpose. Suppose I have a purpose of raising the frequency of the planet, then that is something which I need to do every day. The current atmosphere or the planetary conjunction that is going to happen around December 20th, when Jupiter and Saturn comes together, there are chances that people may tend to have soul fragmentation, and they will try to scatter their consciousness. So that is something that can be only overcome by being in a frequency of the earth itself, which is the fifth dimensional consciousness. That is a consciousness where there is no space or time. The best way to achieve 5D consciousness is by raising your vibration. And for raising your vibration, you need to see your own past, present, and future in a unilateral way. To do that, we need to do this quantum jumping. You can do quantum healing meditations. You can go to Headspace and download meditations available, and you can even make your DNA 12 strand DNA activated. Normally everyone has a 12 strand DNA, but the question is whether we use all the 12 strands of your DNA. We may be using 10 or 11 strands, which is something that is passed down by our ancestors and our belief systems. We might have up till now only lived the life that we know about, or what uh, others have told us about, or what we have lived so far is not the life that we need to live from now onwards. If you have that awareness, then only we will be able to change your life and your past life programming to awaken your 12 strands of DNA. You can download meditations for awakening your 12 strands of DNA from the internet. Once we use our DNA strands fully, then only we will be able to meet our life purpose. We might, uh, overestimate the fact that we don't have to do anything right now because this is a holiday season, and people will not be planning much during the last month of the year. But the problem will start happening once this Jupiter Saturn conjunction occurs, and the people will run helter skelter when they feel that the soul integration is not complete, and the soul gets fragmented. It will be very difficult to scatter the soul fragments and assemble it to integrate into your proper fitment of the soul. So it is always better, even if we have 12 days more for the conjunction to happen, it is better to go for a soul retrieval before all this start happening. And a soul retrieval will help you integrate from your soul fragments. Now suppose you have been working in Bombay for some time and then went to I'll tell you from my own experience. I was in Mumbai working, before I went to US, and I was working in New Jersey for some time. Now those locations, if you uh, pass through those locations, or if you communicate to someone from your past, your soul will get a fragment from your past, from your own past life career. That is the example of a soul fragment. Now there will be places that I have worked other than that. Say I had been to Far East for some time. Then I get memories from the soul fragment of that particular location. Now you need to integrate yours. It is not the question of what you had been doing in the past. It is a question of integrating those fragments and understanding and seeing what your past, present, and future is in a unilateral way, so that we can move into the direction of our own future. Now I have supposed cleared all my past life karma by doing past life healing after doing the regression work. I say, for example, I did my auto regression to clear all my past life karma, and I did my emotional healing, trauma healing, relationship healing, and all those issues which I had from the past. Now I am at a place where I can start building my future, and in order to do that, I started working under the atmospheric sun. And apart from the body eaters, I started downloading the tree of knowledge and tree of life to understand what is my uh, Markaba. And there is a meditation for activating your Markaba. Markaba is the flower of life. It is a Jewish meditation, and you can search for that meditation in the internet. There are lots of downloads, but you can actually you can Merkaba is the shape of two tetrahedrons, two triangular pyramids actually. You know, they inter they are interlooped with each other, and that is the shape of the Merkaba. And once you meditate, there is an angel called Metatron, and that if you invoke the Merkaba, Metatron will actually press that flower of life into your crown chakra, and you will see a little pressure in your crown, and then it enters your body, and it starts revolving in such a way that it will be like a centrifugal force, an action inside your body. Once the flower of life enters your body and it gets activated, then that will be the permanent uh, fortune with which you can live for. Like, you basically need to work with the tree of knowledge and tree of life to understand what your tree of life is. It will be based on your akashic records, and your if you work under the atmospheric ether, how will uh, you can do all Surya Pravaha exercises by sitting under the transcendent sun, and learn what you are going to build in your future from your tree of life. Once you do that, you can get the help of Metatron to activate the flower of life, which is the Merkaba, by placing the tetrahedron pyramids over your crown chakra and pressing it in your body in such a way that it enters your body and it starts spinning inside your body. That will help you start your activate your flower of life. The flower of life is something like you are sitting and meditating as if thousand petal lotus is blossoming from your belly, from your navel, your sacral chakra. If you have that much abundance, you can receive that much abundance in your own body if you apply the flower of life or the Markaba meditation in your physical body. And for that, this is something which we can all create using alchemical creation, using the body ethers, the four physical ethers of air, earth, water, and fire, and the atmospheric ether. If you work under the sound and light, under the sun, by downloading information from your past, using the tree of knowledge, and create the tree of life, you can have the flower of life, which is the thousand petal lotus blossoming from your navel. And if you are blossoming with abundance, then you don't have to worry about anything in life. That is the concept of the flower of life. If you activate the Merkaba, then you are made for life. You are basically done for life. You know what is your life purpose, and you will be getting your soul name, and you will be understanding your soul gifts also along with the flower of life. There is a difference in applying the Merkaba in your body, because the tree of life will give you a way by which you can make a living, or a way by which you can serve your purpose in the planet. But when you apply the Merkaba, the flower of life, you will be receiving your soul gifts also along with the flower of life. Now, once we receive the soul gifts, we know how we are going to apply it to the tree of life, and that is how we you know will be able to be an abundant being, like a lotus flower, like a thousand petal lotus flower. That is the whole purpose of the alchemical creation. If we work under the frequency uh, above the 3D physical way and be in the 5D consciousness.